Hi, welcome to this video. We will see a demo on how to achieve pass-through authentication via Active Directory in Identity IQ. We also see some use cases like account aggregation from Active Directory and birthright provision to Active Directory. Let's start with pass-through authentication via Active Directory. At first, let's see how Active Directory is configured in SailPoint Identity IQ. Here, we can see the application named Active Directory and the connector type as Active Directory Direct. Under configuration, we can find details of IQ service, forest, and its underlying domains. We can click on Test Connection to verify the configuration. Let us see the configuration for pass-through authentication. Under login configuration of Identity IQ, we can find that the Active Directory application has been chosen for pass-through authentication. Now, let's log into Identity IQ through a user who has an account on Active Directory. This user has an account on Active Directory. Now, to log in using Active Directory credentials, we provide the SAM account name as username along with the Active Directory account password, which I defined as welcome@123. You can observe that we are able to log into Identity IQ using Active Directory credentials. In this way, we can achieve pass-through authentication via Active Directory in SailPoint Identity IQ. Now, let's see the use case on account aggregation from Active Directory. We will aggregate an account from Active Directory and log into Identity IQ through that user. Here we can see that this identity doesn't have an account in Active Directory. Let's create the user in Active Directory. I'm providing the password as welcome@123. I am setting the employee number of this user so that Active Directory account gets correlated to the identity in SailPoint. Now, we aggregate the user from Active Directory by running the account aggregation task in Identity IQ. We can see the account aggregation for Active Directory has been successfully completed. We can see the identity has an account in Active Directory after aggregation. Let's log into Identity IQ using the SAM account name as username and welcome@123 as password. We are able to log into Identity IQ using the Active Directory credentials. Now, let's see the use case where we'll provision an Active Directory account to a new user who is created in Identity IQ. At first, we can confirm the Active Directory configuration by clicking the test connection. Also, we can confirm the Active Directory application has been configured for pass-through authentication. Now, let's run the account aggregation task on the HRMS to create a new identity. You can see a new identity has been created. Let's run the identity refresh task to provision Active Directory account. Here, we can observe that the joiner event is triggered to provision Active Directory account for newly created identity. After approval, we can see that the account has been created in Active Directory. Under the provisioning policy of Active Directory, we can find the password, that is welcome@123. Using the SAM account name and the password, let's log in to Identity IQ. Yes, we are able to log into Identity IQ. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on social media for latest updates.